Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the range band indicator for MT4 and MT5. This self-adapting band indicator works similarly to Bollinger Bands but automatically adjusts with range trading in mind. In this video, you will see what the indicator does, how it appears on the chart, and which key features define the range band approach. The range band indicator functions like Bollinger Bands but is self-adapting, meaning it automatically adjusts its width and positioning based on market volatility and price behavior. It is designed specifically for range trading, helping traders identify when price is moving within a defined band and when potential breakouts or reversals may occur. The indicator creates upper and lower boundaries that contain price action during periods of consolidation and provide reference zones for entries and exits. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow the DLL inputs, and just like that, we have it installed on the chart. And it's quite easy to interpret actually. On the chart, the range band indicator plots two bands, an upper band and a lower band that creates a corridor around price. The bands adapt automatically to changes in volatility, widening when price movement becomes more erratic and narrowing when the market consolidates. Price trading within the bands indicates ranging conditions, while moves toward or beyond the bands can signal potential reversal zones or breakout attempts. As for the settings, let's take a look at some of the inputs we have. As you can see, you can adjust the MA period, the MA mode, MA price, ETR period. You can also choose your preferred colors and trade on your preferred time frame, as you can see over here. Alright, as for who is for, the range band indicator is aimed at traders who focus on range bound markets and want an adaptive band tool that requires less manual adjustment than traditional Bollinger Bands. It is a visual analysis tool only and does not execute trades. Unlike any other band indicators, it may produce false signals during choppy markets or sudden breakouts driven by news events. The indicator works best in stable, low volatility conditions and should be combined with additional confirmation tools for complete analysis. You can download the range band indicator for MT4 and MT5 using the link in the description below. This overview highlights how the self-adapting band design can simplify range trading by automatically adjusting to market conditions. If you like adaptive volatility tools, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 and MT5 indicator tutorials.